Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Desiree and I create plant-based recipes with a Latin twist from my food blog, Rican Vegan. In this video, I'm making vegan guava and cheese mini tarts that are quick and easy to make and doesn't require any cooking at all. Athens Foods was kind enough to send me their phyllo shells to use in this recipe. Their phyllo shells are vegan and come already baked, which makes this recipe so easy to make. I'll include a link to their website so you can find where their products are sold. Thank you, Athens Foods, for sending me your phyllo shells. All you need for this recipe is some guava paste, vegan cream cheese, and the phyllo shells. I recommend using guava paste that has a softer texture so it's easy to stir, and if it's still a little solid, you can heat it in the microwave to soften it as well. I also left the vegan cream cheese out so it can soften. I put the guava paste and the vegan cream cheese in their own piping bags to be able to pipe each one into these shells since they are small. I'm using the graham cracker flavor phyllo shells. Add the vegan cream cheese onto the bottom of each shell. Be careful not to put too much in each one so there's enough room for the guava. Top each shell with the guava. These are ready to eat as soon as you fill them. You can also heat these in the oven for 1 to 2 minutes if you want to enjoy them warm. If you have any leftovers, you can store them in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I've included a link to the full recipe in the description below. Thanks again to Athens Foods for providing the phyllo shells for this recipe. Let me know if there's a recipe you would like for me to veganize in the comments below. You can check out more of my delicious plant-based recipes on my food blog at ricanvegan.com. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos like this one. Also hit the bell to get notified when I post new videos. If you're not following me on social media, then go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Since you made it this far in the video, why don't you check out one of my other videos by clicking here, and while you're at it, click over here to subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post new videos. There's going to be a new video coming out next week where I'm cooking up something new and delicious, so stay tuned.